Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do 5.5 tune-up today of animated PowerPoint math video, AOL.com for further worksheets and tests and quizzes and tutoring for SAT Math Level 1. 5.5 tune-up exercises. You had 56 points there of note-taking. And for number 1 in archer shoots, you have this situation here. Here are your choices here. And 4 points for this one. Number 2, again, you have this situation here. You should know what that is by now. And that's 4 points there. Number 3, same situation here. These are your choices. When a ball is thrown, how many seconds after a ball is thrown will it hit the ground? So 4 points for number 3. Number 4, the graph of this is a parabola in the xy plane. What are the x-intercepts? So find your x-intercepts of this situation here. Number 5, which of the following are true? You have 3 possible scenarios here. And then which of these 3 are true for this expression up here? 4 points for that one too. Number 6, you have this parabola. Which of the following could be the coordinates of P? And then P would be up here. So AB, you need to find AB for that. 4 points for that. Number 7, another parabola. F with a minimum point. They give you a minimum. Then which of the following would be true of C? So C, if f of 5 equals f of C, then which of the following could be true of the value of C here? So find that. Then number 8, the graph of quadratic function f. Here are your intersections here. Which could be the value of P in this situation? And I give you a grid here to try to sketch this out. And then number 9, if the quadratic function is this, they're both negative constants, A and C are negative constants, which of the following could be the graph of function f? And so we go into C and D here. So which of the following here? You have these, you have C and D, which are possibilities for that as well as your A and B graphs, so beware of that. And then number 10, you have a parabola again. And then these are possibilities here of for this parabola passes through 0, 0, and 6, 0. If the turning point of the parabola is T, which is H4, which statement must be true? So use your analytical skills to come up with your correct possibilities here. 4 points for that. Page 12 of your tune-up for 5.5. System of 3 equations here. And then number 12, page 13. Which of the following could be the equation of this graph here, not above, but this parabola here? Number 13, the graph equation above is a parabola. No kidding, xy plane. What is the distance between the vertex of the parabola and a point 3,1? So you have to use a distance formula, it looks like to me. And then number 14, the coordinates of the lowest point on the graph are defined by the equation above is 3, 2. So if f of negative 1 equals P, then which of the following represents the value of P in this situation? Then 15, the parabola whose equation is this, passes through these points. What is the equation of the line of symmetry? So you got to find your, I'm not going to give it away, I'll let you do it. Okay, so that is for this situation here. I think this is for the next problem here, and it is for 16. That is this here, this is for 16. And then 17 is here, function above, gets a height of a model rocket. So what is the maximum height? So you need to find the max of that. And then 18, the graph of the equation above is a parabola. What is the minimum of this here? And then we get into grid ends here. In the above system of equations, what is the value of x plus y in this situation here? And then number 2, a swimmer dives from a diving board 24 feet above. You have a parabola here. So what is the maximum height above water in feet the swimmer reaches during the dive? And then number 3, what will the price per pair of running shoes, will the maximum store's monthly revenue from the sale of running shoes be for this situation here? You're given a scenario here. And number 4, 4 to 6, refer to this equation here. After the ball is kicked, what is the number of feet the football travels horizontally before it hits the ground? So you need to find your distance there between the two zeros. I just gave that one away. I'm not going to do that no more. That's number 4 of your grid end. And number 5, what is the number of feet and the maximum height of the football? Again, refer back to that quadratic for number 5. Same thing for 6, goalpost 10 feet high and horizontal distance 45 yards. How many feet will the football fail to pass over the goalpost? How many feet will the football fail to pass over the goalpost? So, grid in that one. Remember your grid ends. And that's 5.5 tune-up. Thank you very much.